visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you see the video, no, the message is also meant to find you with the Seven of Wands, the Star, and the Six of Pentacles. Siguro nandito pa lang kayo sa part ng yung landian, no? Yung para bang bumabalik kayo sa high school, no? You both know that you like each other. However, wala pa dito yung sabihin natin yung formal, no, conversation na tayo na ba, nililigawan mo ba ako, pumoporma ka ba sa akin, wala pa dito yung siguro mag-date tayo, no. These are just sweet nothings, no, na pwedeng both of you are sharing together. Probably sinasakyan mo rin um, yung ganitong scenario, sabihin nating may kilig factor, no? It felt like siguro nagkakagustuhan na rin kayo talaga, pero parang nagkakahiyaan kayong umamin sa isa't isa, no? I feel like dinadahan-dahan nyo. I don't know if this is a fear dahil nagkaroon kayo ng traumas, no, from the past relationships, or nagkaroon kayo ng or kumbaga meron kayong burdens, no? Or sabihin natin ditong childhood wounds, baka meron kayong first-hand experience nung bata pa kayo, kaya medyo takot ka sa commitment. One thing is for sure, medyo mabagal yung takbo, pero maganda, no? Nakakakilig. With the Hermit and the Seven of Swords. Wow, the Seven of Swords. Paano to? Kasi the Hermit feels like dapat may growth na, no? Dapat meron na tong wisdom, dapat meron na tong part na nagmo-move na or medyo dapat serious na. Kaso with the Seven of Swords, para sigurong dinadaan ito sa joke, no? Baka parehas kayong ayaw pang kahit yung mga tao na nakakakita sa inyo, they all know that there's something going on between you and them. Kaso pag kayo tinatanong, no, kahit hindi magkaibigan lang kami, hindi mabait lang siya talaga sa akin, hindi kapatid lang turing ko sa kanya, no, yung ganon. Pero parang hindi nyo maloloko yung mga tao nakapaligid sa inyo kasi they actually see different, no? It manifested sa kilos ninyo with the Temperance and the Maiden of Cups. So ang nakikita natin dito, ay wow, kasi kapag hindi pa to nagkaroon ng movement, it felt like parang magkakaroon dito ng sisingit, no? Magkakaroon ng third party or third wheel na papasok dito sa relationship and either parang guguluhin or gagawing stagnant, no, yung situation kasi para magkakaroon ng distraction. Let's clarify the Maiden of Cups. Yeah, the Tower and the Nine of Pentacles. So hindi lang ito magkakaroon ng distraction or I mean yeah, hindi lang ito magkakaroon ng sabihin nating challenge, no? It felt like sisirain nito kung ano man yung nasimulan nyo. Ang tagal na, no? Sayang yung mga efforts. Kasi parang feeling ko, either sa'yo may nagkakagusto o may nagkakagusto na sa kanya. One thing is for sure, baka yun ang maging dahilan para maudlot, no, itong nangyayari sa inyo. With the Maiden of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. I don't know kung sino nagkakaroon ng assumption na hindi naman ako type nito. Um, Parang sira lang, parang tangi lang dahil parehas naman, parang reciprocative naman, no, yung mga ginagawa niyo sa isa't isa, nararamdaman niyo yung care, nararamdaman niyo yung love, tapos sasabihin niyo sa sarili niyo, parang hindi yata ako gusto. I don't know kung saan ito na, kung paano nakuha yung assumption na ito with the World card and the Devil card. Siguro either kasi meron ditong taboo, no? Baka kasi yun yung nagpapa-stop, no, sa'yo to actually move forward or sa kanya. What are those taboos? Probably different ethnicities, no? 'Di ba may mga kanya-kanyang probinsya na etong si ganito galit sa ganitong, tribe or ganitong galing sa, ganitong probinsya or pwede rin naman itong um, nationality, no? Baka kasi either mixed or a different nationality. Baka kasi, di ba, merong mga nationality kailangan kalahi lang nila. So baka ganoon. Or different religion. Those are the taboos, no? Magkaiba ng religion, kaya parang, paano yan? Parang hindi yata kami magkakaroon ng harmony dahil sa mga belief namin, no? So, with the Witch of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So, I feel like umaatake na, no? Itong third party or third wheel. I feel like magkakaroon talaga to ng third party situation. Hindi naman third party. We cannot say third party dahil wala pa namang nangyayari nga sa inyo informality. Yung third wheel or you might gonna be in a competition at siguro may stress ka dito if in case, no, wala pa talagang mga movements. With the Five of Wands clarified with the Death card and the Two of Cups. I feel like itong magiging third party or third wheel or itong mangulit or yung magbibigay ng stagnation ng problema sa inyo coming from the past, whether this is your ex or your person's ex. So kailangan magkaroon na talaga ng movement, kailangan meron ng gumalaw with the Nine of Swords clarified with the Two of Wands and the Six of Swords. Parang pinupush na dito ni universe to actually make a first move o magkaroon na ng action. There is a sense of urgency, no? So this is your reading. Bago po natin i-check ang zodiac sign, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Mag-comment po kayo doon. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like, the like, share. So kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And kung kayo po ay merong mga katanungan nga, personal man yan or sa ibang tao, and you want to book a private reading, nandun po siya sa description box, no? So let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Libra, Leo, Aries, Capricorn. I am seeing Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo. Scorpio is dominant. Cancer. I am seeing Gemini. Pisces, Taurus, yeah, paulit-ulit tayo dun sa Taurus. Aquarius, dominant din siya. Virgo, yep. So yeah, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and lights. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.